Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use A608 for online addressing and verification. Connect the controller and PC. Set up the network card according to the network port connection prompts on the side of the controller. We can start online addressing. Click Address in Seekway Magic Player. Enter the address interface. Select the controller to be addressed. Select Segment, Apply Checked Controller, Address Current Controller in order. Wait a moment. You can see the light up. This means that the addressing is successful. Click Online Debug. We can see the test light turn on. Select different test effects. You can choose Color Test. Check whether the single channel color sequence is correct. If the light color is incorrect, you can correct it according to these instructions. Select Pixel Test. Check the order of the light chip. There are multiple pixel test methods to choose from. For example, point by point, accumulation, auto point by point, auto accumulation. The above is all about online addressing and address verification. Other operations, please refer to the manual. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.